Hi, today I'm going to talk about BubbleSort algorithm, which is a very simple algorithm when it comes to implementation. However, it's not very efficient because in terms of big O notation, we could end up with ON square complexity in case we get as an input array which is already reverse sorted. The best case is linear complexity. We could achieve it only if we get array which is already sorted in ascending order. So this is not very efficient algorithm, but it's easy to implement and might be useful sometimes as an auxiliary algorithm when we try to fix just some elements in the array that we know that it's probably sorted well, but just for the safety reasons we want to swap some elements that are wrongly ordered, or in case we get some data that we want to tweak a bit. All right, so having said that, let's try to go over the algorithm. So BubbleSort, in order to sort our array, uses a kind of frame, kind of window. This window might be here, for example. We start from the left to the right, and we will be iterating over this array as many times as number of swaps will be 0. When we do the swap, if we move our window to the right and we come across two elements, and the one on the left is higher than the one on the right, we do the swap, and we do the swap. Next iteration, swap. Every time we count number of swaps, and if we have a number of swaps 0, it means our array is already sorted. So let's try go over this array. So here we have 2, 4. 2 is less than 4, so we don't do any swap. We move our window here, and here we have to do the swap because 1 is less than 4. So 1 has to be here. Let's rewrite this array. 2, 1, 4, 7, 3, 8. We are still in the same iteration. And we move our window here. 4 is less than 7, so that's okay. We move our window here. 7 is far more than 3, so we have to swap those two elements. And let's rewrite the array. 2, 1, 4, 3, 7, 8. And we end up on the last pair, which is okay because 7 less than 8. So for this particular iteration, we had 2 swaps, just 2 swaps. 2 swaps. Okay, moving on. We start another iteration, and we again put our window here. We swap 2 with 1. So we have 1, 2, 4. We move our we have 3. We move our window here. Here we have 7 and 8. So we have 1 swap here for 2 and 1, and another swap here for 4 and 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So in the second iteration, we have 2 swaps also. And we do our last iteration. We create a window here and go to the right of the array. As you can see, there will be no swap in this iteration because all elements are already ordered. So number of swaps is 0 for the last iteration, and it means our array is sorted. So it was pretty easy. Thank you.